It's Tuesday, May 7th, 2024, and this is Markets Daily, a show where we get into the minds of some of the smartest and most experienced investors, traders, analysts, researchers, CEOs, and anyone with a smart or hot take. I'm Jen Sanasie, and today's show is going to be a little different. We don't have a guest here. We're getting into my head. I have a hot take on AI tokens, and you're going to hear it in just a few seconds. First, let's take a look at what's going on in the crypto markets this morning. They're looking very similar to how they looked yesterday morning. Bitcoin and Ether are roughly in the same place where we left them. Bitcoin was at around $63,500 at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, and Ether was at around $3,100. Now, the Bitcoin rebound is turning some of those bearish analysts bullish again. There are reports on CoinDesk.com this morning that you can go and read that says that the rebound is spurring demand for out-of-the-money call strikes, and those are strikes that are well above the going rate. Those are going for between $70,000 and $100,000. So could Bitcoin hit $100,000 by the end of the year? We will just have to wait and see. AI tokens are leading market recovery this morning as Render, SingularityNet, and Fetch AI outshine Bitcoin by a very wide margin. And those are the tokens we're going to talk about on today's show. Now, these tokens are rallying in conjunction with the Nasdaq-listed chipmaker Nvidia, which hit a one-month high as excitement builds around the chipmaker's impending earnings report that's coming later this month. Nvidia has really become the poster child for all things AI, and we got to face it, when we hear Nvidia news, we often see AI tokens rally. But do retail investors know what these tokens do? Do they care about what they do, or are they just riding the AI wave to make a quick buck? I'm not sure what the answer is there, but I want to give you all of the information that you need, or at least some of the information to kick off your research so that you can make an informed decision if you are investing in AI tokens. Hitesh Malviya is the founder of DYOR. He told CoinDesk that AI coins are going to continue to have cyclical runs and that they are directly correlated with the whole AI side development happening around us. Now, I want to be clear as we get into this show that there is no crypto token that has a direct correlation with Nvidia. Now, if you're going to invest in AI tokens, I hope that you listen to this information. You go out there, you do your own research, and you make good decisions. Let's talk about Render first. RNDR. This is the utility token of the Render network, which is a decentralized GPU-based rendering solution. This token has surged almost 48% in 7 days. I will say that again, almost 48% in 7 days. It's the biggest gain among the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market value, according to CoinGecko. Now, what is the Render network, you might be asking? It's a peer-to-peer network that rents out idle GPU power to content creators and AI applications. The token is used to pay for rendering jobs on the platform. So this token is being used by folks who are renting out their power and for folks who are renting the power. The network hopes to make it easy for creators to obtain GPU power and render high-definition graphics or train AI models. And it allows them to pay a fee that's lower than the centralized GPU cloud. The Render network received backing from Multicoin Capital, the Solana Foundation, and more. Let's hop on over to Fetch AI now. Fetch AI hopes to decentralize and automate transactions on the web. It offers tools to build, deploy, and monetize AI services and allows the transformation of legacy systems for AI readiness without altering existing APIs. So it's making it a little bit easier for firms who want to use this technology. According to Masari, the network is a series of software agents that can act on behalf of their owners. So the agents have the ability to conduct searches, negotiate, and trade. Fetch AI's FET token has gained 22% over the past week, outperforming the broader market, like I said before. This project has been supported by Outlier Ventures, DWF, and others. Now, lastly, SingularityNet is a network of AI services that are accessible through a decentralized marketplace. The network lets people create, edit, and manage AI-related services like model training and inference to deploy AI agents. Developers can charge users for the use of these AI services using the AGIX token. That token is up 24.5% on the week. Now, let's take a look at the prices. You know that they have outperformed the broader crypto markets. AGIX is at 99 cents this morning. FET is at $2.40. And Render is at $10.70. If we broaden out our discussion now and come back to Nvidia, they're set to report their first quarter earnings on May 22nd after markets close. Analysts are expecting AI AI tokens to continue to rally ahead of that report. And Zacks Investment Research expected the company to report earnings per share of $5.49, a 403% year-on-year increase, which makes me beg the question, if you are making a bet on Nvidia, why aren't you just buying shares? Why are you investing in these AI tokens? Albeit some of those projects sound pretty cool. So go out there, invest responsibly. The last thing I'll leave you with is Nvidia's share price. It's at around $922 this morning. Happy investing.